Previously, we had discussed about variables, learning how to store and manipulate basic data. However, as your project grows, putting all your variables, functions, and classes into a single file becomes a nightmare. Today, we will try to upgrade our architecture and we'll discuss about modules and packages in Python. So with all that said, let's get started. Python comes with batteries included. By typing help modules, you can see the massive built-in standard library. These are modules which are nothing but files containing pre-written Python code, which are ready for you to use. Firstly, we have the math module. If you want to use constants, maybe the pi or maybe the Euler's number, you can use math.pi or math.e. For trigonometry, we have math.radians and math.degrees to convert angles, and for the various trigonometric functions we have the math.sin, math.cos and math.tan. There are also some important functions like the log, the exponent, the power, the square root, and for rounding off as well, like the ceil, which converts the decimal number to its highest like round off number, and the float function, which converts the decimal number again to its lowest rounded off number. Secondly, we have the OS module. So you can get your current directory with the get cwd function. We also have the chdir to move around the directory or change the directory. We can create folders using the make directory function. You can delete them using the remove directory function, and you can also list them using the list directory function. Lastly, we have the random module. So this module uses the Mersenne twistor algorithm to handle all the randomization task that you have at hand. But what if you want to make your own package? It's incredibly simple. Any file with a .py extension is automatically a module. If we save a function inside, let's say example.py, we can bring it into our main program using the import keyword. Now there are a few ways to execute this import statement. The first is you can just use plain and simple import example, and this imports the module and lets you access its contents using the dot notation. We can also use import function or import a module using an acronym. So let's say you want to import the math module, so you can say import math as m, and you can then use the pi attribute as m.pi. We also have we can also import a certain object from a module. So for that you can use the from keyword, so from math import pi, and it imports a particular object, which is pi in this case. And you can also import everything using the asterisk keyword. So you can like say from math import asterisk, and it imports everything. However, you should keep in mind that it can overwrite your existing variables and it can pollute your namespace, so it is quite dangerous, and it can also like it is quite memory hungry as well. So you have to be very careful while using it. Now you might be wondering, when you type this import keyword, what does Python actually look for? It checks a specific list of directories stored in sys.path. So it searches your current working directory first, then it goes for the Python path environment variable, and it finally looks into the default installation directories. If you ever want to know exactly where a module is, just check its file attribute. Lastly, if you become an advanced developer, even these modules aren't enough. So you need packages in those cases. A Python package is simply a directory containing multiple module files and optionally an init.py file, which handles the package initialization. You can nest sub-packages infinitely, and you can access them using the dot notation, as I've already discussed. Modules and packages are the foundations of building scalable professional Python applications. You should try writing a custom module today and import it into a, let's say, a script that you're like for a test project to see the things in action. So if you like this video, then hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss an update, and I will see you next time.